Check that out, you guys. The height of summer, July right now, and the lawn looks like this. Let me show you what I did. Hey, it's very early morning before sunrise, and I do this on purpose because now is the time that the grass blades are most open and they can receive foliar applications the best. I've got the whole concoction here and equipment ready to go. Do yourselves a favor, go out and buy yourself one of these pH monitors from Amazon. Ideally, you want your water's pH to be below 5. So what I'm going to do is just take some of this citric acid, and I'm just gonna, a little goes a long way. You don't have to do too much. So I actually literally just take some pinches of it. Throw a few pinches in, take this. This is just a little paint stirring thing on the end of my drill. Makes it super easy to mix that stuff up. We're at 5.6, so probably just 2 more pinches. There we go, 4.9-ish, 4.8. Good enough for me. Okay, this is the first time we're applying the Neighbors Envy fertilizer. I typically put down liquid kelp and some other products to help with my heat stress, because it does get hot here and I have cool season grass and it really helps. This supposedly has the sea kelp in it, so we're going to try this and see if it helps at all. If not, I'll default back to my normal mixture of heat stress goodness. 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. I'm going to be doing 11,000 square feet of lawn today, so we're going to need to do multiple sprayers full. This is a 4-gallon sprayer, so I need to mix up 18 ounces times 4, right? Shake well before using. There's 1 thing of 18. 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm just going to put a dash of surfactant in it, not too much. Just enough to make sure it sticks well. And we mix it up. The sprayer we're using today is from Flowzone. I've had this for a number of years. Bought it with my own money. Great backpack sprayer. I've really enjoyed using it. You can see the grass is still looking pretty decent, but there's definitely signs of heat stress, so that's what we're going to address today, hopefully. Okay, we'll let that sit for 4 hours, and then we'll water it in. We'll be back in a little while to see the results. Alright everybody, 6 days later, and these are the results of Neighbors Envy. I tried to get out here at the same time of day as I filmed that last portion, just so you can see accurately with as close to the same lighting as possible the results. I think it looks really good. Now you can see that there's a little bit of, I'd call it browning in a few of the areas. I actually ended up with subtle striping the last time I fertilized with granular fertilizer, so I think that's what you can see here. You can still see a hint of the browning. That's probably fairly typical, where before this lawn in this area in particular was quite heat stressed, and so it's normal to get a little bit of a brown stain to the lawn when you first apply Neighbors Envy, especially on the heavier initial application. But you can see the entire back lawn here is really looking good. This gets a little more shade back in here, so that is extra good. This area out in here that gets just pounded by the sun, you can see is still working on coming back, but it sure looks a lot better than it did before. Now it's less than a week. Like I said, it's been 6 days. So stay tuned. I'm going to put down another application this week, and we'll see if we can't get this back to incredible status. I've always got more lawn projects and content coming up, so if you're enjoying what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. 4 100% free things for you to do, but benefits the channel in a tremendous way. You won't want to miss what's coming up here as we continue through this year. We'll catch y'all next time.